Sainu, thank you so much for joining me at E-Times on How I Made It. Sainu, it's lovely having you. And to start the interview, can you tell us how did this journey of yours begin? Where it began? How old were you then?
Well, I wanted to be on limelight since childhood. You know, I'm a very creative person. So it's just that I just wanted to finish my studies and, then get into acting. So after completing my engineering, I've joined my acting school as well in Pune. So that's how, I always wanted to be in this acting.
Okay. And where did it all start? And how old were you, I asked?
How old was I? I was 20, 21, 22.
Okay, when it began. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And your first project was? Because there's not much information about you on the Google.
Okay. All right. So my first project was it all started with reality shows, but I don't want to mention that, with Animal Productions. And then I've done a serial, and still I was studying. So I wanted to complete my studies. Then I had a break. Then after that, I've done a couple of music albums, and now I've completed web series. So yeah, it's going on.
So are you interested in producing, or is it acting? Because you have worked as a producer also. You worked as an actor also, and now you worked as a singer also with Asim Riaz on the song Badan Pe Sitare. Now, आपको एक चूज करना है या आप ये सब तीनों करते जाएंगे?
Of course, because as I said that I'm very creative. So I like to do things, कभी produce करो, कभी singing, because singing में भी पता मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा, I really love singing. So, and obviously acting too. So I want to be all in this three. I don't know.
Okay. Tell me about this Asim Riaz song, Badan Pe Sitare. How did it happen for you?
Yeah.
How did it happen? Did he call you directly?
No. Why will he call me directly? It is from Saregama. So that's how I got selected from the auditions and all that, and it happened. Yeah.
And had you seen his Bigg Boss?
Yeah.
Where he ended up runner-up?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is your take on that? What he did in Bigg Boss? Were you rooting for him to win? Siddharth Shukla, who passed away a few months back, won that show. Who were you rooting for in that particular season?
I wasn't really rooting for anyone. It's just that, everybody were my favorite. Even Shahnaz was my favorite. Siddharth, of course, yes. Asim, yes. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि पता मैं particularly ये इंसान पे ही I was just thinking अगर ये इंसान particularly जीतेगा तो फिर अच्छा लगेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर. But I was really enjoying that season of Bigg Boss. It was very good.
Remixes के बारे में आपका क्या opinion है?
Remixes भी ठीक है, अपनी जगह वो ठीक है. I mean, जो ओरिजिनल गाने हैं, ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स को लेकर रिमिक्स, कुछ गाने बहुत ही अच्छे बनते हैं. मतलब आज का जनरेशन है जहाँ पे पता है आपके बर्थडे पार्टीज हो गए, इवेंट्स हो गए, शादीज हो गए, वहाँ पे यू नीड दैट रिमिक्सेस. और आज का जनरेशन में दे रियली एंजॉय दैट.
I want to ask you, what has been your game changer till date?
My game changer,
as in what? Was that point where people started knowing you in the industry, that who's Sainu? Okay, fine.
Yeah. So it's nice actually. People really recognize me and they say, "Oh, I have seen this video of yours. Oh, हाँ यहाँ पे हमने shoot पे आपके location पे हमने देखा, this is pictures and can I take pictures and all that." But it's nice. But lifestyle में खो जाता है ना कि आप कहीं पे भी मतलब अभी खुल के आप you cannot just go and have pani puri on the road, which I really like it. I'm a very a very bubbly, मतलब कहीं पे भी मैं चले जाती हूँ, and I love junk food and everything. So अभी थोड़ा बहुत उस सब चीज का मुझे ध्यान रखना पड़ता है.
Okay, so you're telling me that people started recognizing you when मतलब आ जाते हैं आसपास and they
नहीं, ऐसा हो चुका है मेरे साथ.
Tell us one incident where maybe it got unpleasant or very tough for you.
So ये जिम के बाद था, वर्कआउट करके I was down and my friend, she was like, चलो ठीक है, वहाँ पे एक है, ठेला है, जाके पानी पूरी खाते हैं and all that. So हम लोग गए थे and my hair was all oiled up and everything and वहाँ पे like there are two little cute girls and like photo उन्होंने ले लिया और टैग भी कर लिया एंड एवरीथिंग एंड उस पे भी पता है थोड़ा बहुत मुझे लगा कि यार नहीं, मतलब अगर कहीं पे भी, अगर बाहर भी, अगर आपको अपीयर भी होना है, कहीं पे अगर जिम भी जा रहे हो, कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो, तो थोड़ा बहुत यू नीड टू कैरी योरसेल्फ सो दैट कैजुअल भी लुक हो गया ना, तो एटलीस्ट यू आर प्रेजेंटेबल कि कभी भी मतलब यू कैन, अगर कुछ मीटिंग आ सकती है या फिर वीडियो कॉल हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, यू कैन देन एंड देयर यू कैन जस्ट कैरी ऑन विद दैट कैजुअल थिंग. सो ये मेरा एक लेसन है, मैंने सीखा है. पहले मैं ऐसी नहीं थी, तो आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट कैजुअली आई नेवर यूज्ड टू थिंक कि चलो ठीक है, जूड़ा वूड़ा बना लिया एंड ऑल दैट, चले जाते थे जिम एंड फिर उसके बाद ऐसे ना इधर देखा ना उधर देखा एंड आई वाज लाइक ऑल इनटू मी. अब थोड़ा बहुत उस सब चीजों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है.
Okay, so what's the plan for Bollywood? I mean, and what's the plan for web shows? Do you want to act in web shows and movies?
Web series, I mean, yeah. See, I don't see any difference. Bollywood alag, web series alag. So yeah, as long as this is the character is very challenging, I would grab it.
Okay. So are you reaching out to casting directors, to producers, to directors?
Of course, production houses, yes.
Mm-hmm. And how has the response been? Has it been welcoming?
Yeah.
Okay. So very soon we might see you in a web series or a Bollywood movie.
Yeah.
Well, that's great. But coming to OTT stuff, how is your thought process on that? Because again, many roles, have intimate scenes. Many roles ask or demand from the characters to use foul language. Are you comfortable with that aspect of OTT?
Not really. No. Clearly no.
So have there been?
I am not.
Have there been offers where you said no? This is too bold for me.
A lot of them.
Okay. Can you elaborate on that? Like, I mean, without naming the project.
No, I mean, obviously this intimate scenes and kissing scenes और पूरा सारा सब कुछ जो भी वेब सीरीज में बहुत सारा अभी तो बहुत ही खुला बता रहा है and all that ना, सारा सब कुछ, तो मैं comfortable नहीं हूँ. I am not comfortable with it.
It's become too
bold. See, if my work doesn't makes me happy, it doesn't make sense.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What you're saying is it has become too bold for comfort, for your comfort.
For my comfort, yes.
Right. Coming back to the song with Asim Riaz, how many times have you seen it? अपना खुद का काम लोगों को बहुत
I see every time. I see every time.
So even I would say in our profession, I wouldn't be surprised if a journalist keeps clicking on his story again and again and again.
Exactly. If I post a story, if I click a picture, I keep on watching it 100 times a day. Like ये reel अच्छा है, चलो ये मेरा reel post करने से पहले भी I watch 100 times कि नहीं अच्छा ये ठीक है बाल सही है, ये पोस्ट सही है, ये है वो है, so I keep watching it.
तो ये आपने कम से कम 100 times देखा होगा.
Why not? Why not?
I'll leave you with that note of happiness. Would love to see you more in Bollywood movies, web shows. How about TV? Just, I mean, if I can touch upon that, would you be interested in TV shows also down the line?
Yeah. Yes. Because before getting into Bollywood, getting into acting, I have done already a serial.
Yeah, you spoke that, but I'm asking you today, आज जिस मुकाम पर आप हैं.
Of course, काम होता है. You know, it's just that you have to be comfortable with what you're working for, whether it's for a TV show, whether it's a music album, whether it's a web series or a big budget movie in Bollywood or Tollywood or wherever it is. You have to, you know, अंदर से satisfaction मिलनी चाहिए कि हाँ यार, मतलब ये चीज से मुझे खुशी मिल रही है. So why not? कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता है. So I don't कि अब मैं ये लेवल पे आ गई तो मुझे इसी से अब इससे अपग्रेड करना है. अच्छा वहां पे पहुंच गए तो वहां से और अपग्रेड करना है. अच्छी बात है, वो फोकस होना अच्छी बात है, बट जहाँ पे कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ना कि अचानक से आपको सडन कुछ कॉल आ जाता है, प्रोजेक्ट आ जाता है और वो कैरेक्टर या फिर जो भी है आपको बहुत ही मतलब पसंद आ गया है, एंड वो टीवी के लिए हो या एल्बम के लिए हो. अगर मुझे पसंद आ गया तो व्हाई नॉट. मैं जब ये नहीं सोचूंगी मैं यहाँ कर लिया तो मैं यहाँ अभी नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है.
Stay in touch, Zainur, and I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you so much for this interview.
Thank you for having me. Take care.